Let's imagine that that you make a painting. For example, we got a painting over there. You make a painting yourself, and you want to make sure that that painting is really recognized as your painting. Now, you can put your ownership of that painting on the blockchain. You can create, first of all, your identification on the blockchain. So you create your own public and private key pair, and that's the way you exist on a blockchain. And then you create, for example, a picture of that painting that you just made. That's yours, and for which you want to make sure that it will be recognized anywhere in the future as yours. Well, you take a picture of that painting and you put that picture on the blockchain, and it will be there forever. And it will be the proof forever that you are the owner of that picture. And you could also use that reference to sell that picture to someone else on the blockchain. Someone else with another key pair, another public and a private key, okay? And then you receive money in return for the purchase or the selling of the picture. So yeah, that's what you could, for example, do with that blockchain. You see?